thank you. Thank you for the nice introduction. Thank you for the invitation to come here today, and thank you to you for being here listening to the talk. So the topic of the talk is data privacy and security aspects in emerging scenarios and collaborative distributed scenarios. Of course, some of the aspects, because I won't be able to touch all of them. So the starting point is the point at which Chris left us yesterday. He was saying, we started with the databases in the back, with the web interface that were querying the database, then mobile devices came up, and then pervasive devices came up. So it's the advancement in ICT that have considerably changed the way we live our life today, and at a never-growing pace, at an incredible speed. And they keep doing so every day. So if you think of pervasive devices, cloud, fog, edge computing, Internet of Things are actually terms that the layperson now uses, right? So it's a common term for everybody, even the ones whose main topic is not ICT. So ICT as an enabling factor of our digital evolved society, of our smart society, of a society which is connected, and I would say hyper-connected, where every device, machine, human being is connected to something else, where every action you do, everything you do generates some data, they're communicated somewhere, and applications token you don't even know, and whatever you do, there is some effect on data collected somewhere. So a smart society which is, I would say, hyper-connected. What is the role of data? Well, it was said already in the talk yesterday. Data are at the very heart of what makes our society smart. Because what makes the society smart, what makes every system smart, is the ability to gather data, to collect data, to share data, process them, analyze them, and to extract from data the knowledge that makes the system smart, and that you can inject via rules in the system for better governance and intelligence. But what makes all this smartness is the ability of collecting data, gathering data. If you think of the big players, who has money today, who can make money, who has data and can get value out of them. So if you look at the data collected every day, they are growing rapidly. We're talking about zettabytes, and data sharing is nowadays common. Actually, for the good, for the progress that we want, and people talk nowadays, especially at the European level, at data spaces, like in the energy sector, healthcare sector, in the different sectors, you have data spaces comprising data from different players, from the